Do you know that your friends are more unreliable than your enemies? Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important law of 48 laws of power by Robert Greene. Law number 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends can betray you more easily than enemies. Enemies, once won over, can actually become more loyal and useful than friends. Why? Because friends can become jealous, entitled, or take your kindness for granted, while an enemy has something to prove if you reconcile. Friends are emotional, not strategic. They must expect favor and feel entitled. The closer they are, the more likely they'll exploit weaknesses. Enemies are motivated. If you turn an enemy into ally, they will often work harder to prove their loyalty. They know betrayal would destroy their new position, so they tread carefully. Suspicion keeps relationships sharp. With enemies, you remain cautious and strategic. With friends, you may relax and overlook warning signs until it's too late. What I am trying to say is that don't rely on friends in business, politics, or high-stakes situations. Sometimes it's more effective to ally with former rivals because they want to show good faith. They don't take relationship for granted. Maintaining healthy skepticism in both friendships and enemies is the best solution.